Take a ride in the 2020 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, lane departure warning, remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.